What's up, bro? How is going? Aurelio is back another time with another great video. Are you ready? This is the second part of the previous video. During the Christmas and New Year holiday, I had a lot of free time. For this reason, I proceed with my project. And during this holiday, I done the Apollo spacecraft from this project. Now I show you all the work that I done. And now I change the position of my camera. One moment. Now I show you all the Apollo parts. This is the main body. We have two scimitar antenna. One in this place. One moment, I take. I think that is good. We have one scimitar antenna in this side, and in the another in this side. Yep. This is the front side with the docking ring. And this is the engine of the Apollo spacecraft, the main engines. I assembled the Apollo spacecraft and I completed it. I then proceeded with the grouting all the joints and thus completed my work. When I completed this part of the work, I proceeded to apply a layer of primer to check if there were any problems on the model. Then I proceeded to paint all the parts that needed to be colored white. In fact, between the Apollo spacecraft from the lunar mission and the Apollo spacecraft from the SKYLAB mission, there were some small differences. In fact, during its journey to the moon, the Apollo spacecraft was continuously rotating on itself. This rotation, like this, allowed it not to always expose the same side to the sun. Differently, for the Apollo spacecraft used in the SKYLAB program, they were attached to the SKYLAB and they always expose the same part to the sun. For this reason, NASA applied the white protection so that the spacecraft would not have any problem. Okay. Now I show you all the parts of the Apollo spacecraft, and I'm so happy for the work that I done. Now I can proceed with other part of the project, the SKYLAB original concept. And in fact, now I think to proceed with make the multi-docking adapter. This piece, I think that this piece is the principal part of the model because after done this piece, I can proceed to make the lunar module for the SKYLAB original concept and the other parts. Okay, I show you all part of the Apollo spacecraft. I'm so sorry, I proceed in this way. Okay. I'm so proud of me because this spacecraft is so perfect and is good for the project that I working now. Okay. Okay. And regarding the multi-docking adapter, I haven't problem because thanks this drawing that I show you, I haven't idea if you can hack now. You can see the drawing. I have all the information, all the dimension necessary to make the multi-docking adapter from the SKYLAB space station. I bought these drawings many years ago at the real space model, and they are so perfect. This is regarding the multi-docking adapter. It's so perfect. In fact, in this side, this side, I have all the dimension necessary to do this piece of the project. Okay. Look. In this side, I show you. Well, okay. This is. On this side, I have all the dimension, all the information necessary to make this part of the project. This is the multi-docking adapter. This is the second docking ring, and this is the principal docking ring, where the Apollo spacecraft docked in all the SKYLAB mission. It's so beautiful. Yeah. We have a target for the two docking port. It's so beautiful. It's so perfect. I have all dimension. 10 feet, 17.3 feet. The docking target is probably a small problem for me. The American flag. Yeah, this is the scanner, but in my case I haven't idea if I make it. And this is the multi-docking adapter inside the fairing, the Saturn V Sky fairing, with the solar panels. But this is the version, the real version, ATM. Okay. I changed the camera position. Okay guys, we are at the end of this incredible video, and in the next weeks, if I have a free time, I proceed with my work, and I will make the multi-docking adapter, the principal piece for this incredible project. So guys, we arrive at the end of this incredible second video, second part of this project. Now, if I have some free time in the next weeks, I started to do the multi-docking adapter from this model. I'm so excited because I proceed step by step, and I think it's an incredible project. I'm so excited for this project. So see you soon guys, and don't forget the AMK are always the best models regarding the spacecraft, this topic. See you soon. Bye.